and collects. It looks like that's how much rain they got in Florida on average in a month. Okay, first question, can I put that data in order? Can I list them from like the lowest month to the highest month? Yeah, I'd say yes. Are the differences meaningful? It looks like June had 7.58 and May had 3.45 if I subtract the two. Is that meaningful information? Yeah, I know exactly how much rain it is between the months. Does 0 mean none, or is it a position on the scale? If a month had 0, would that mean that there's no rain, or that you could have like negative rain, or what?
There's no rain.
No rain. So this one is ratio, and remember there's always that double checking there where you could try that twice test. I could say it looks like September is about twice as much rain as October. And it doesn't have to be data you have, it's just a theoretical. All right, last one, average monthly temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit for Denver, Colorado. So it looks like in January, the average temperature is 30.7, February it's 32.5, et cetera. Can I put that data in order? Could I put those temperatures in order?
Yep.
Yes. Are the differences meaningful?
Yep.
Yes. If I subtract February from January, I get, I don't know, 1 point something. And that means 1 point something degrees. I can say exactly how much that is. Does 0 mean none, or is it a position on a scale? Think about 0 degrees outside. What is that? Position on a scale, right? Because you can go negative degrees. So this would be interval. Carlos, you got to write this. All right, your turn to get interactive. You need to turn to your partner, and you are going to try the next 4 together. Take it through the chart together. Go ahead, talk. All right, so pick one to start with and start talking about it. This is not work silently next to each other. This is talk about each one.
So, you put data in order as is. Are the differences between the numbers meaningful? No, we don't know how much the Avengers beat out the Dark Knight, or the Dark Knight beat out Skyfall. So that's kind of the same thing. Obviously, this one would be well, yeah, because you could say like between it's better.
In this one, yes.
It's like one. Technically,
Not always, though.
Year scale. Alright. Is there a backside? See, this flow chart is a whole lot easier to memorize than that like circle thing in advanced math.
The unit circle?
The unit circle, I couldn't.
Wait, we did that?
No, we have not done a unit circle in advanced math. No, it's just talking about what will be happening in advanced math. And yes, it will be.
That's scary.
Everyone's got scared.
It scares me.
You do not have to memorize it at all. It's, knowing how to use it.
Oh,
No, you always get to have it.
okay. Oh, you do?
Yeah, I would never make him memorize it. That'd be crazy. All right.
It's like something Mr. Brandon last week did though.
You guys really need this.
I don't really think there's a lot of instances in your life where you won't be able to look things up of references. The point is being able to use your references and your knowledge well, in my opinion. Except for a few things, like if a kid is in advanced math and they're like, what's a positive times a negative? I need my calculator. I'm like, something we should just know, man. All right, are we ready? Okay, I'm gonna, instead of taking partner volunteers, I'm just gonna take individual volunteers, so 4 people, 4 prizes. Sound good? I've got zipper bracelets over there, wild animals, and I'm a winner signs if you would like any of those. Who wants to go? Nathan,
Okay.
pick one.
We'll do the home run promos.
Okay.
In fact, to tell you how I got it.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to take me through the whole flow chart, just explain what it is and why it is.
It's a ratio,
Mm-hmm.
because we could put it in order, and the distances are meaningful. And in zero does mean none, because you can have less than 0 home runs.
Exactly right. Go get a prize. All right, who's up next? Carlos, you want to do one?
Yeah. Top 5 gross movies.
Mhm.
We got ordinals because, yeah, you can put them in order, but there's no numbers to put differences in.
Right. I have no idea how much the Avengers beat out in Dark Knight Rises. It could have been one movie ticket, or it could have been $1 million or $1 billion. I have no idea. That's exactly right. Go get a prize. Autumn?
The movie genres, that's nominal because you can't put them in order.
Right. I guess that's very similar to movie genres, TV show genres. Probably shouldn't have put those both on there, but whatever. But yes, please go get a prize. How about the years for the Yankees winning the World Series? Who wants to do that one? Go ahead.
I put interval because you can put it in order, you can, the numbers are meaningful,
Mm-hmm.
and this 0 doesn't mean nothing.
Right. So if it was, I mean, first of all, it'd be really dumb to say, ooh, they won, the New York Yankees won the World Series at year 0, because year 0, they didn't exist. But remember, anything that is specifically the label of a year is always interval, because you can go before 0 or after 0. Wonderful job, Michaela. Go get a prize. So tomorrow, your benchmark quiz will be identifying nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. You can use all of your notes, including the flow chart that I just gave you, including this that we just did. And then also identifying whether something's qualitative or quantitative. Anybody have any questions on that? Cool. Your homework is, everybody write it down. Page 13. Seven through 20 and 25. This is just more practice on interval, ratio, nominal, and to prepare for the quiz tomorrow. And then before the quiz tomorrow, we'll go over all these answers and make sure you feel comfortable, just to see if you're doing well. You can work with whoever you want for this. I'm not checking in any homework today because nothing was due today. But I think I have some stuff to check in from people who are gone.